Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Just simply defining two things. It's like adding some detail. So adding basically I'm using clay buildup for adding all the detail, matching the volume. Base is slightly bulky because this muscles are a little loose. And like this is like if you guys want or like whoever is not interested in this like creating something like this, they like because for these classes there is no attendance. I guess you have received your mail also. I guess yesterday, 12th is the like final submission date. So submit everything. 12th.
सर मॉडल भी करना है क्या?
हाँ Moodle में I have created both the things. Link for biped and quadruped. Just submit there.
सर वहाँ पे तो दिखा रहा है कि असाइंड ओवरड्यू ऐसे करके।
Oh, because I created a long time back, na, that's why. That is no need to, but just submit, just submit there.
सर कैरेक्टर का WIP चलेगा ना?
हाँ मतलब WIP चलेगा, just make sure submit something, otherwise zero मिल जाएगा, फिर बैक पेपर आ जाएगा. So
अरे वो तो आप इंटरनल्स दोगे ना, एक्सटर्नल तो आएगा चेक करने मार्क्स.
हाँ वो चेक करने आ रहा है. That's why you have to show internal stuff this time.
कब आ रहा है वो?
हाँ
कब
अभी
कब 12
ये
तारीख को?
12 या 13 को आने वाला है, तो इसीलिए 12th इज फाइनल डेट, ताकि उससे
तो
पहले
क्या हम
सबमिट.
लोग को वहाँ पे होना होगा क्या?
नहीं वो अभी आके फिर जस्ट चेक करेगा कि क्या काम हुआ है.
अच्छा, हम लोग को जरूरत नहीं है ना आने
नहीं
का?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
तो
आने का
12 तारीख
होगा.
को मतलब सर आके चेक करके जाएंगे
यस,
और फिर वो वापस आएगा वो?
तो वो तो एक्सटर्नल के लिए आएगा. एक्सटर्नल इज एंटायरली डिफरेंट. क्योंकि अभी दिस ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड ऑल, तो क्लासेस थोड़े से जैसे टाइमिंग का इशू है, चीजें हैं, तो वो उनको चेक करना है अभी.
नहीं नहीं, वो तो मैं समझ गया, मतलब तो अभी जो 12th को है वो एक्सटर्नल मार्क्स देंगे कि इंटरनल आप लोग दोगे?
इंटरनल मार्क्स, लेकिन वो आके वेरीफाई करेगा उसको.
अच्छा, मतलब वो देखेगा कि काम हुआ कि नहीं.
हाँ
उसके
एग्जैक्टली.
बाद एक्सटर्नल्स जब होंगे तब वो इंटरव्यू लेगा कि
हाँ
कैसे
तब,
किया
हाँ
है.
यस बिल्कुल.
Okay.
Okay, so kind of like head.
सर आपने ये और किया था क्या इस पे काम, मतलब पीछे?
इसको थोड़ा सा मैंने वाइड किया है बस अभी, थोड़ा सा वाइडन अप किया है. प्रीवियसली इट वाज लिटिल नैरो, थोड़ा सा इसको वाइड किया है.
सर इसमें आपने रेफरेंस बोला ना, है कहाँ लिखा हो ना, एक बार रेफरेंस की रेफरेंस नहीं है.
डिफरेंस है, बिल्कुल है.
आप कहाँ दूसरा मॉनिटर पे रखे हो क्या?
दूसरे मॉनिटर पे ये रहा. दिख रहा है क्या?
चला गया.
चला गया, ये रहा. तो ये प्योर रेफ नहीं है सिस्टम में, प्योर रेफ में इंस्टॉल कर लूंगा तो उससे सही हो जाएगा.
ओके.
ओके, this is so like this is how you create basically, like अभी तो इसमें lot of work is still pending, we'll do it. So usually whenever we start sculpting, especially character, so this is like personally I don't follow this process. So like initially when you start, I start with only eye, only lips, only nose, only ear, basic structures. We learn the basic structure, then it becomes super easy, like beat any surface, any volume, anything you can create it. So without so I'll show you that thing, that will be like easy. Just save it. Just give me a second. Suppose I use this sphere. No, sphere. I will use a cube. So if you want to like excel your sculpting, or if you want to learn sculpting properly, this is the easiest way and best way possible. Especially this is like, this is targeted towards characters. So, but it helps in all kind of sculpting. So what we do usually, like this is a cube, 6 sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 sides. So each plane I'll use for one part, like eyes for one plane, then lips one plane, nose one plane, ear one plane, like that, one plane. So if you can do it on a plane, because plane is a flat surface and you have to create that volume, like nose, ears, and they have a lot of surface deformation. So if you are able to do it on a plane, no matter what kind of surface you have, you can create it. So this is like basics, and you should know how to do it. That's like core. So this is something practice. I'll show this. And this is like very easy. It's just matter of practice. Control Shift F, I'll check. Very low poly. Control D, 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 D. It's around decent amount of polygons. So suppose I want to create a nose. So it's a flat surface, no volume, nothing is there. So easiest way of doing nose is create a line first, little triangulate, slightly triangle. Two spheres. Nose, the step is basically two separate spheres. Then blend. nostrils, nose bridge, damn standard. BCP, clay buildup. Basic volume next to the nose. B, G, move brush. I can make it narrow or wide. Damn standard. Just one. Okay. You see, plain surface you can create and this thing very easily. So if you want to like expertise your character modeling and or sculpting, practice this. Basic nose. Now suppose I want to create lips. For lips, just create a volume. So reduce polygon first. The circular volume. Because we need to keep this thing in mind. We have this denture, like teeth and all, inside mouth. So there is a volume, quite a bit of volume. B and B. The circular shape for it outside. BDS, damn standard. One, one. Repeat the command. One multiple times. So that goes inside. D. First create this shape. Its upper lower lips are slightly flat, so I'll use flatten, trim dynamics. Now upper lips, BCB. BDS time standard. Draw inverted, like I'm using add, I'm holding alt. BCD clear build up. Now there's one sphere center. Upper lips, BDS. BCB, two more spheres. And just to define this, damn standard, just kind of an outline. So now edges, PCB, shift D, reduce polygon and fix all the edges. So this down, I need to create this depression. And there is a muscle to hold the lips. This part goes slightly inside. This edge is slightly protruding outside. BDS damn standard, and there's a very little subtle depression here. And this part, depending upon me, like how to create this thing, B in B, can make it feel less round, slightly angular. To build up chin. Lips ready. So upper lip is slightly protruding outside, and lower lip is slightly less, like going to push inside. So I can push it slightly. So B and B. And if I want, I can add details. Find shape D, like full T hyperbola. Okay. Now, if I want, I can refine them, add more detail here.
So while you're creating all these shapes, do
Mhm.
we have to like dynamesh or anything? Like,
Like this is for practice, just to practice those shapes.
तो
So Dynamesh karo na karo
these
doesn't
shapes,
matter. Doesn't matter. Like if you can use Dynamesh, you can just simply subdivide and use it. It just what matters is shape of this whatever you're creating. BPI
so what
paint.
all the brush are mostly you use? Standard,
A
BCB,
standard, dam standard, pinch, trim dynamics, and clay buildup. This is like 90%
standard,
Damon standard, huh? Dam standard. That's the so I use it like 90% I use these brushes only.
and move.
And move, yes, move all the time. I use move all the time.
So pinch
Pinch I
कब use
use
करते हो?
just abhi I want to create some scar, or maybe I want to make some shape or some scar or something really sharp and prominent. In that case, I use pinch. Like lip edges should be really pointy. In this case, I'll use pinch. It will close this area. Pinch it. Pinch. Just to refine the shape, make it really sharp and clean. You can see it's pretty simple, easy, on a plane. It's a sphere or what. You can definitely do it if you know the shape. This is for practice. If you practice this, it helps you in hard surface sculpting also, organic sculpting also, because you understand how to add volume to any flat surface, or how to create any shape out of anything. So it's like this is, you see, lips, nose. It's very easy, very simple, just matter of practice. So you can definitely do it if you practice. If you really want to be character artist, you should practice this and try to create your initially all the character head or anything. You can use a sphere like this one. You can see like yesterday only I started, so I can do this thing. You can also do the same thing. It's like very easy. It's not very difficult. It just you have to add volume everywhere properly wherever it's required. BCB play build up. Now I'll just add text here. Make sure blend it nicely. And now, oh, see what happened here. So to fix this, I'll go to brush, then auto masking, and switch on your back face mask. See, it won't work on backside. Smooth it, D, smooth it, D again. So each division I have to fix.
सर ये ऑप्शन काम ही नहीं आता तो इसको बिल्कुल डिफॉल्ट क्यों ऑन नहीं रखते?
Okay, like I don't know, like
तो
ये
अपने को ये
तो
ऑन नहीं करना पड़ता या ऑन करना पड़ता है?
ऑन करना पड़ता है, yes. So I don't know. Yes,
इसको हम लोग डिफॉल्ट सेव कर सकते हैं ब्रश में? हाँ कर सकते हैं ना
कर
शायद.
सकते हैं, yes. ब्रश सेव कर सकते हैं. So reduce the poly count, add some volume here. Subdivide again. Okay. So now let's see. No, so I need to fix few things. BCP. Build up again. Standard. Build up. No, damn standard. Define this line. So initially we'll create the entire thing in symmetry. Once my model is ready, then I'll break the symmetry. CPU. Now to make this thing, this looks kind of flat. You can see it looks flat. It should be more rounded. Light detection here. It's much better. It looks like there's a volume, little rounded. Build up. Collarbone. Add little volume here. BMV. Side pulls. Horns placement looks slightly off. Invert. somewhere here. Lowest division, and then we build up. Add all these small details. And you can see I'm using clay buildup only. Standard. B. The position of this muscle should be slightly back and push this slightly. Now the upper lips, you can see the inside part is not visible at all. That is not correct. So I need to add few things here. B, C, B at one sphere.
Sir, your upper lip and lower lip is joined, right? How will you separate it if I ask you to separate?
Okay, suppose I want to separate this, I can separate this also. Like you want to create the like in mouth, that cavity, right?
हाँ मतलब स्पेस दिखना में थोड़ा भी दांत दिखे वैसा मतलब अगर करना है
वैसा,
तो हाउ डू यू सेपरेट इट
हाँ तो उसके
टू
लिए, तो
बीच में
उसके
गैप कैसे करेंगे
तो उसके लिए we create the whole first. Like suppose, just save my file first. Just give me a second. So उसके लिए BDS create this cavity first, that hole, then you create lips.
अच्छा मतलब तो वी हैव तो अपना लिप्स बनाए तो वो गया
हाँ गया, तो वो स्टार्टिंग में ही करना है वो while blocking. तो ब्लॉकिंग टाइम पे ही करना होता है.
इज देयर एनी वे वी कैन रिकवर इट और समथिंग लाइक जीरो mesh और प्रोजेक्ट करके
हाँ प्रोजेक्ट करके we can like, still maybe we can recover a little bit, but still it will create problem because inside that mesh is not there, right? So I have to create it anyways. That's fine. So while blocking only we have to create that and then add all these details. So it will work perfectly, no problem at all.
सोचो कोई लाइक 2 घंटा तक लिप्स बनाया और फिर उसको पता चला डेंचर बनाया नहीं तो he will lose 2 hours of work or something like that. You
Uh,
cannot bring
that is something you can do achieve in low poly. Low poly
मतलब
में we can always create this denture wala part, right? In case high poly में it's not there, but low poly में we can do it. We can create this thing. Uh, mask and BCB. You can see it's creating. It's not that difficult. We can definitely do it. Or like a little bit of extra work extra, but we can. It's completely achievable. D lowest subdivision. Okay, one. So BMT modified topology this time, and let's modify the topology this time. So now we have denture cavity. I just like lost little volume, so I have to redo the volume. The edges, the upper lips are a little flat, sides are slightly flat. So I just recreated this thing really quickly. So it's like, see, it's like, it's pretty possible. It's like quite possible, and you can do it. Like there's no issue at all, very easily. It's just matter of practice. Now, one more thing. There is a problem. This part should go inside. So let's add some refined detail. Let's refine some details.
सर ये सब नहीं आ सकता ना सिमेट्री में?
Hmm?
ये तो सिमेट्रिकल नहीं हो सकता है ना, जो अभी आप कर रहे थे? क्यों हो सकता है?
फिलहाल यूजुअली ये एसिमेट्रिक होता है, सिमेट्रिकल नहीं होता है. So like after what I'm planning is like I'll create the basic structure, basic detail, and then I'll break the symmetry. तो थोड़ा टाइम सेव हो जाएगा उसमें. The nostril is slightly elongated. B.
Sir, I don't know how does layering work in ZBrush. Like layer वाला जो channel है, वो
हाँ,
करता क्या है?
हाँ,
Morph मेरे को समझ आ गया. Layer क्या होता है बताने.
नहीं लेयर पे भी काम करेंगे अभी, लाइक वाइल एडिंग डिटेल वो सारा लेयर पे ही होगा।
तो वो क्या ZBrush जैसा Photoshop जैसा layer ही होता है
हाँ,
क्या?
काइंड ऑफ फोटोशॉप बट नॉट
Record और वो सब समझ.
हाँ, ओके, अच्छा मैं शो इट। So, before start layering, make sure your basic model is 100% ready. Because once you start layer, you cannot go back. You have to bake everything, then only can go back. So that's the main problem. So make sure everything is ready. So let's see.
Save कर सकते हैं ना सर यहाँ
हाँ,
पे.
file save कर सकते हैं, but just make sure कि you don't have to go back again to modify basic detail something or smooth or anything. तो वो सारा कुछ करके finish करके then only you'll go to a layer. Suppose I want to add some scar or detail or some in my this thing, you can see so those dots are there. Suppose I want to create those fine details. So what I'll do, I'll go to layers and start layering.
सर record आपने कुछ दबाया क्या उसमें?
नहीं, by default whenever you create a new layer वो automatically record पे रहता है. DS I believe this. So standard brush and let's create. So its record is already on.
What does it basically do? Like, can we turn off that layer?
Yes. मैं भी करके दिखाता हूँ रुक जाओ. Okay. So I created this thing. Second, switch off this one. Stop recording, and if I hide this, only and only that whatever I painted, that thing will go. So that thing is part of this layer. It's nothing to do with the main model, this model. So, and I can create multiple layers. Let's see, I just switch it off. It's just like Photoshop layer. I can switch off one layer and paint something and again switch on, it will blend automatically, right? So let's
अच्छा
see.
उस layer में हम लोग record वापस on कर सकते हैं.
So now this suppose this basic entire skin, you can see it's kind of flat. I want to add some amount of variation, like noise kind of thing. So I'll go to surface, noise maker.
बेसिकली काम क्या है?
To add detail, to keep everything like sorted. Like in case suppose I have a character and like in game you have a character before fight and after fight. So before fight it's all clean, no wounds, nothing, no scratches. After fight all those effects will come. So for that we won't create another model, we'll use the same model and with layer we'll record those details, and whenever we need it we switch it on, bake it. So
Sir, when do you start doing this? Like वो जो face में जो eye के नीचे जो डाल लेते हैं वो भी तो layer में हो सकता है ना?
बिल्कुल, वो लेयर में ही करना चाहिए था मेरे को, मैंने डायरेक्टली कर दिया है वो, बट वो लेयर में ही करना था.
Base model when you are ready with it, then you can go and start layering, right?
Yes.
तो फिर जो face का जो pores होता है, what I was talking about, that is also inside layer or?
In layer only, like detailing, but surface detail, like all pores and everything is detail. Right now, I'm just like making a base model. So detailing of everything, all details part of layer. Okay. So abhi jaise I'm creating this noise. You can see here this noise, and okay. So you can see this noise. It gives you illusion of pores basically. And then right now you can see my recorder is on. Where is my surface? And I click apply to mesh. So it will become part of this mesh. But this is part of this layer only. Record off, and you see on, off. And now I feel this is little low. I want to increase the intensity of this. So I can rename this also. Rename this and select. Now you can see, select this, duplicate the layer, increase the intensity. If I want, if I feel like this, double of this is too much, I can reduce it also. And if I want to combine this one, I can switch this one also. And you can see automatically this will also have this noise. If I want to reduce, I can reduce. This is like actually opacity. And I can go to -1 also. From +1 to -1.
तो -1 में क्या होगा?
इन्वर्ट
चला जाएगा।
पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन इन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। You can add all this thing, detail, like any kind of detail. Let's see, and make sure switch off all layer whenever you're creating a new layer. Otherwise, it will blend all 3 layer or whatever layer is visible. Off किया, and now suppose I want to
क्या
create
कैसे वापस बोलो? नया लेयर जब बनाएंगे तो सब आप को बंद कर देने का होगा।
बंद करके बनाना है। Reason, it will blend both the layers. Otherwise, but whatever you're doing, suppose I smooth. Okay, let's see. I switch off this. I switch on this one, and this layer I recorded is on. So if I smooth on this layer, shift smooth on this layer, it will affect the base layer also. And if I switch it off, now it's there, it's still there, but because of this layer it become flat.
सर ऊपर वाला में तो फर्स्ट वाला लेयर थोड़ी ना चेंज हो गया, जो जिसमें हम लोग स्टार्टिंग में स्कल्प्ट किए थे।
उसमें चेंज नहीं होगा, लेकिन इस वाले लेयर में उस वाले लेयर का भी इम्पैक्ट आएगा।
पर वो लेयर तो सबसे टॉप में है ना, तो वो तो
नहीं, इसमें टॉप बॉटम से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। इसमें थिंग इज इसमें थिंग इज whatever you painting and whatever is visible on screen, like suppose I switch on my noise, right? All noise is visible. If I switch on this, activate this one and smooth something here, it's still there in these 2 layers, but if I switch it on, it won't be visible because the smoothness is recorded in this layer. So इसीलिए make sure कि always switch off and then do it. Keep each and every individual layer separate. So let's see, suppose I want to create one more layer and want to add some scratches or something.
तो सर नॉइज और ये जो फेस का डेंट है, ये सब कुछ हम लोग एक ही लेयर में नहीं कर सकते क्या?
कर सकते हैं, but it's like better to do it in separate layers. Like suppose I want to create something, some random stuff. I created this thing, and this is part of this layer. So इसको I can increase, decrease intensity, and rest I can switch on. And you can see everything is blended together. So if I suppose I want to smooth something.
Sir, what if I don't want to blend? What if I don't want to blend one? For example, there is one round surface in a face, but I don't want noise over there. वो कैसे होगा?
वो भी हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं। So उसके लिए
उस टाइम रिकॉर्ड ऑन होगा? नहीं।
So switch off everything. So suppose you want this base surface exposed somewhere, कहीं पे भी, right? एक area में, like suppose okay, zoom in. Suppose this eye वाला part I want it smooth only, rest of the part can be noisy. So for this, what I have to do is I have to go to morph target, store a morph target. Now, whichever condition your model is in right now, this shape is saved. Now, top of this, I can go to layer, activate everything, and create one more new layer. Recorder is on, and there is a brush called morph. Where is my morph brush? Here. And now if I click this, it will make everything revert back everything to without noise shape.
ये तो कर सकते, समझ गया, बट फॉर एग्जांपल मॉर्फ अगर नहीं यूज करना है तो हम लोग नया लेयर में जाके स्मूथ कर देंगे तो उस लेयर में तो
तब भी हो जाएगा। हाँ, तब भी हो जाएगा। तो उसका कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि भाई वो एक्यूरेट सेम ही बनेगा। सो इट्स बेटर टू, बट इसमें वो सेम ही बनेगा।
वही आएगा, मतलब जो बेस में।
हाँ, जस्ट डिलीट ऑल दिस थिंग। नहीं चाहिए सब। and mock target we can delete. Mock target, delete mock target.
Sir, like those horn details, वो भी उसी में आता क्या layer में?
Layer will we can do it. So this is like because there's a volume change, so I'm keeping it on the same base only.
पर sir layer use करना necessary तो नहीं है ना, like without layer भी
but it's industry में करना पड़ेगा. Okay, because because you are not the only person who will be working on the same one file. There will be multiple person will be working on the same file. So in that case, you have to make sure everybody else should be able to use that file. So agar in case like you don't have layer or anything and you sculpt everything on the same model, so if it goes to some other artist, he will complain. Okay, it's not done properly and there is issue. I have to redo the entire stuff. So that's
non-destructive in
non-destructive way. Like you have to do it in constructive way. So Abhi, let's see. I have a lot of this thing. So now, like my basic structure is almost like there. And if I want, I can just make it asymmetric. So I'll switch off my symmetry, Ctrl+Shift+D. I just duplicate the model and deleted everything, all lower division. In case like anything goes wrong, that's why I kept a backup. Now slice I can use.
Sir,
Yes.
we have a class now.
क्या था?
Character sketch number.
अच्छा हाँ अच्छा oh हाँ it's तुम लोग class है. Okay, no problem. So anyways, we have time. So like you can see like it's like I did it really quickly. So बाकी detailing वगैरह कर लेंगे and we'll retouch the model and texture also. We'll do everything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Tata, bye bye. And technically your syllabus is oh shit, I forgot to say.
Quick save, sir.
I have save करना भूल गया. Okay, anyways, I'll check quick save. Maybe it's there. Okay then. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.